Hey folks, welcome back to GothOnBudget, and today I'm going to show you how I tease the crap out of my hair. If you guys noticed, I recently cut my hair. I just trimmed the end, but also shaved the sides of my head, and I also cut my bangs. Woo! My husband helped. Yay! Anyways, here's what you're going to need. You're going to need some hairspray, and some hair clips, a teasing comb, or a fine tooth comb brush thing, hair ties maybe, and I think a mirror. I'm also using some dry shampoo and a straightener if you're choosing. This is just an old model I had. Oh, and you're gonna need a brush. Don't forget to brush all the knots and whatnots out of your hair before you start straightening. I'm just going to use some dry shampoo because my hair gets oily off of one day of not washing it. It's ridiculous. And then I'm also going to use some heat protection cream for my hair, since my hair is sensitive at the moment. I did just bleach it. So this is what not to do when you straighten your hair. That doesn't work. And it hurts. This is what you're supposed to do. You brush your hair, and then you section off. I usually start from bottom to the top. And I actually recommend doing little pieces, not what I just did here. I'm just impatient. I usually go around each piece a couple times, and then when I'm done, I section off in a small bit, and then I straighten again. Ugh, my arm's getting tired. Okay, now that that's done, so we're going to section off our hair again, this part around the crown. I didn't straighten my bangs yet. Ignore those. So what I did notice here was I did take a little too much, but it actually helped out because I can get back in. So when you tease your hair, you're going to go from the end to the root, back and forth, until you get kind of a rat's nest look. And you do that for each section. And then add a spritz of hairspray. For the hairspray, you can do before you tease and after you tease. I do it when I'm done teasing. So again, back and forth from bottom to top. The good news is your arm's gonna look super ripped when you're done. Now this is where I know I fucked up. It just all flattens down. So then I'm going to take it by section and do it over again. The part I have in a clip now, I'm not going to tease. I'm going to lay it over, and I'll show you later. So you can go poofier. The more you tease, the poofier it gets. That's how you get the beehive look, or the Susie and Banshee look. So yeah, I just lay it over across and I use my little brush to comb it back gently so I don't lose the tease, the volume. A little more hairspray. Try not to kill the ozone layer. You know, I could have gotten my other curler, but I was just really lazy. Now that's done. More hairspray per ozone. I'm gonna add some clips because I'm gonna look cute. So I'm just gonna shamelessly plug myself in. These little back clips I made myself with resin. You can buy them on Etsy. Link in the description down below. Don't judge me. Support your local artists. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy. Stay safe out there. Stay home. Do weird stuff. Stay spooky. Woo!